What's up, Empress Beauty Gang? It's your girl E, and I'm back with another video. You guys. And this video, I'm just going to plug my lip gloss line right in the beginning of the video because I never really show you guys my lip gloss line. So I just kind of screen recorded me going through my website here. You can go to my website at www.empress.beauty.cosmetics.net, not .com, .net. Because if you put .com, you will not find my website. But yes, go check that out. Check out all the lip glosses that I have made in the past. If you have any requests on what colors that you would like for me to record or post on my page, let me know and I will do that for you. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, as you can see, I have my Versagel here. I got this 3.5 pound Versagel from TKB Trading. I can't remember the exact price on it, but I believe it was like around $52 if I'm not mistaken, including shipping. Don't quote me on that, but I did get it from TKB Trading. Now I'm just getting all of my oils. You guys know I never show you my oils and what I put inside my lip glosses. But today I am going to be experimenting and kind of like playing with different colors and different glitters in this video. So I was just kind of showing you all the oils that I do use and then just kind of experiment with those to see what I like better and what. And I just want to throw in there, if you are a new lip gloss maker and you are looking for lip gloss tubes, I recommend going on Etsy, going on Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba. There's a lot of nice looking lip gloss tubes. I know everyone is kind of using the same tubes nowadays since everyone is making lip glosses, but there are some nice unique tubes on all of those sites, and I think you guys should go check it out if you're wanting to make your own lip gloss line. Now, this is for video purposes only as well as experimental purposes only. I usually measure all of my oils. I say this in all my videos, but it's just a lot faster for me to just kind of eyeball it and show you guys how I just naturally make it instead of like taking my time and measuring it. And plus, I don't want to give away my measurements, so that you got to keep that a secret. But at least I gave you my oils and you guys can go check those out, see how you like them. Everyone, excuse my pigment packet. I have all of my pigments that are in packets like this inside of a Ziploc baggie, and one of them decided to leak everywhere. Well, they all decided to leak, and it just became a huge mess, so please excuse it. But what I was doing, I was just kind of kneading the packet with my fingertips just because the oil separates from the pigment. When you have packets like this, just make sure you do that, because if you don't, you'll get nothing but oil and the pigment will not come out with it, and it will not come out right in your gloss. So I just mixed that together, and I mixed it. Make sure you mix it well, because like I said, if you don't mix all of your pigment inside of your lip gloss base and inside your oils, it will separate inside your tubes and inside any container that you put it in. So FYI. So after I mixed in my pigment into my base and everything, I just took like a whole bunch of chunky glitter, fine glitter, pink glitter, purple glitter, all kinds of glitters, and just put it inside this lip gloss base. I was just really wanting to see how my formula will hold up with how much glitter inside of it, to see if it would seep at the bottom. I know one of my subscribers in the past asked me how to keep your glitter from sinking, but I never had this issue because I always used fine glitter. But now that I'm using chunky glitter, today we will see if all of the glitter seeps to the bottom of the tube. So next I decided to add a small dot of liquid pigment in the color red from TKB Trading. I only did this to add a little bit color to it because this looks like milk after you get done eating a bowl of cereal. So I wanted to kind of give it a little bit color to it. So I went ahead and add the red pigment. Now I am adding more glitter because I didn't feel like I added enough glitter, which I should have stopped, but I continued to add glitter. This glitter I bought from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and I just wanted to see what it would look like because it had like a greenish tint to it, and I really don't like glitters that have like a green tint to it. But and then here I go again, just dumping some more glitter in it. Just continue to dump glitter into it. This is like, it looks like unicorn snot at this point. And I continue to add glitter to this lip gloss for what I absolutely have no explanation for why I added so much glitter to this lip gloss. And I am surprisingly shocked when I tested this out on my lips. It was not gritty. It didn't have any kind of gritty or chunkiness to it when I applied it to my lips, which is so surprising. But I should not have added that much glitter to this lip gloss batch. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. Now that I used all the glitter in my inventory, I am now going to add my flavoring oil I get from, I got this flavoring oil from Get Suckered, and it is in the flavor Huckleberry. It smells so delicious. If you are looking to get any kind of flavoring oils, Get Suckered is well worth it. Now I am just getting my syringe. I basically cut a pipette, the tip of the pipette off, and put it on the tip of my syringe so it is able to reach the bottom of my lip gloss tubes. I bought the pipettes as well as the syringes from Amazon. Amazon has really nice deals there for the syringes. I believe I had gotten 10 syringes for $6.99, I believe. And the pipettes, I have gotten 100 of those for about, I think, $3 or $4.99 if I'm not mistaken. But as you can see, I'm just going to the very bottom of the lip gloss tube and filling it very slowly. But I am not filling the lip gloss tube to the very top because you do need to have room to put your stopper as well as your lip gloss wand in. If you overfill your tubes, the stopper will pop off and you will have lip gloss everywhere. So I recommend just kind of be careful of how far up you fill your lip gloss tube. So I'm going to give you guys a tip on how to fill your squeeze tubes. Make sure you pinch the bottom of the squeeze tube and then continue to fill slowly, but continue to pinch the bottom of the squeeze tube so you can get rid of the air bubbles, because if not, you will have air bubbles trapped at the bottom of your lip gloss tube. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I tried to do something a little bit different, nothing planned. I just kind of experimented with this, so this was literally off the top of my head. I did not plan for this lip gloss at all to come out like this, but this is what you have. I think from now on I'm going to be posting on Fridays, so like Freestyle Fridays. I know this is going to be uploaded on a Saturday. I'm sorry, but we're going to do Freestyle Fridays, and I think I'm just going to experiment with other lip gloss colors. And, you know, so if you guys have something that you want me to try, just make sure you put it down in the description box down below. Make sure you leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell everybody about the Empress Beauty Gang. Tell your mommy, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your mother, everybody, so they can become part of the gang. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, Empress Beauty Gang.